What up, guys? Tyler here with Tarver Academy, and on today's Rock the Quote, you Tarver Academy sword horses, you're like, what's a sword horse? It's a horse with a sword on its head. It's like a unicorn, but less fancy. It's our mascot. It's not a big deal. It's whatever. Okay, so today we're doing a quote for Rock the Quote. It's by Helen Keller. Ooh, big time. She said, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. I'm gonna say it again. Helen Keller said, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. So I'm gonna give my thoughts on this quote, but I'd really love to hear your thoughts on this. So tell me in the comments, okay? So when she says life's either a daring adventure, so you either gotta take leaps of faith, you gotta try things, you gotta be willing to mess up, you've gotta be willing to go out and put yourself out there, or else you're not really gonna have a life. It's just gonna be something you did. Like even if you live to 100, if you never taken that daring adventure, if you never take leaps or try things or risk things or talk to that person that you wanna talk to or go for that job that you would love to have, if you don't do those things, you're really just putting in time and you're not really working towards having this amazing full life. And so I wanna encourage you today, please go out there and live a daring adventure. Okay? Helen Keller said it. Tyler Tarver said it. Everybody's in your corner. Go out. Do it. Just go do it. Okay? So I'm going to read the quote again, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. It says, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Thank you guys so much. And as always, never stop learning. That's the thing we say at the end of the videos. Hey, what's up? Please subscribe to this channel. It's free, costs nothing. Just click the little red subscribe button unless they change the color. I'm just gonna wait right here. Look at this lighting. Oh, wow.